Hello and welcome to this BitDiver tutorial. In this short video, I will guide you through reading the top and worst crypto ratings page, a section designed to help you quickly compare the cryptocurrencies with the best rating and those with the worst rating, according to the BitDiver evaluation system. This page is useful both for those who want a market overview and for those who wish to delve into the quality, risk, and recent behavior of individual cryptos. The top and worst crypto ratings page allows you to analyze the cryptocurrencies in the BitDiver catalog through two main rankings. Top 10, the 10 cryptos with the highest rating. Worst 10, the 10 cryptos with the lowest rating. These rankings are based exclusively on BitDiver's rating system and are updated automatically on a regular basis. The goal is not to suggest investments, but to offer a comparative tool to understand how different cryptos position themselves based on objective criteria. Each ranking is presented as a table, where every row represents a cryptocurrency. For each crypto, you can view the symbol and name, the current value, the trend of the last 7 days, the overall rating, the 30-day volatility level, the 30-day liquidity level. These details allow you to analyze the crypto not only based on price, but also by considering stability and ease of trading. The rating represents a synthetic evaluation of the cryptocurrency's overall quality based on BitDiver's internal criteria. The colored bar associated with the rating follows a scale ranging from lower values, highlighted in red, to higher values, highlighted in green. A higher rating indicates a crypto that, according to the analysis model, presents overall more solid characteristics. Conversely, a lower rating signals greater criticalities or relative weaknesses. Next to the rating, you will find two fundamental risk indicators. 30-day volatility indicates how much the crypto's price has been subject to fluctuations in the recent period. 30-day liquidity represents how easily the crypto can be traded on the market without significant price impacts. Even in this case, the colored bars help quickly interpret the level of risk associated with each asset. The top and worst crypto ratings page is designed to help you quickly compare multiple cryptocurrencies, identify assets with very different characteristics, deepen the relationship between recent performance, rating, and risk, improve your understanding of the market context. All data regarding rating, volatility, and liquidity are updated every 24 hours to offer you always current information. In summary, the top worst crypto rating page offers you a clear overview of the cryptos with the highest and lowest ratings, of their recent performances, and of the main risk indicators. Use this information as support for analysis and as a starting point for more targeted insights. That is all for this section. I invite you to continue your analysis by exploring the other features BitDiver puts at your disposal. And as always, for any doubts, you can contact BitDiver support from the Help section in the top menu. See you soon, and happy analysis.